Hey everybody, how's it going? Thanks for watching Manny Scale Modeling, and I'm just going to show some vintage kits and a lot more to come. But anyway, I'll be showing those in a minute. I had this sent in to me, the Neo Sander. Comes with all these bits and the sandpapers. We're going to test that out soon. Working on the video. Docking station and the blades. I haven't tried those yet, but I've been using this quite often to do seam lines. Sand and 3D part and stuff. Works awesome. So stick around and be right back. Okay guys, I'm not sure how old some of these are or whatever. I don't even pay attention to that, but I'm gonna be selling a lot of these. I'm gonna be doing an auction on my Facebook page coming up soon, so I'll put my Facebook page info right here if you want to send me a friend request, and then you can watch for the auctions coming up. The VW Rabbit, some of these are started, some are brand new. This one's all sealed. Some tires in there, and chrome. Pretty cool body. It's not warped or anything. Glass is mint. You know, some scratches and tire marks on there. I don't know if you can see that. Should come out though. Well, that's a deep scratch. Jeez, unbelievable. But anyway, so there's one. Try to go through these a little fast, but not too crazy. Chevette. This one, the glass looks nice. Body's nice and straight. Cool car. The chrome looks like someone was going to put some lowrider wheels and tires on it. Everything's in there. Well, looks like the motor was started. Put together anyway, glued together. Cool. And we got a 69 Impala. This looks like the custom one, yeah. Option of custom front grille and rear panel, because it's got the regular bumper in there. And this one was started. Right there's the custom front grille, and that's a stock grille. I thought there was other ones in here. Yeah, there's extra parts in there too. But body's mint. It's all in primer. Looks like it was getting ready to be painted. A sweet car. I might have to keep this one. Glasses in the all the glasses in there. Engine was started. Yeah, there's another front grille. Really nice chrome. There's the rear grille, or rear bumper, taillights. Yeah. Very cool. Let's see, then we got Pacer, which we'll take a quick break and check that out. Okay, 77 Pacer, Wayne's World. I'm not sure what year that one was. Decals look pretty nice in that kit though. And chrome looks pretty good actually. Looks like it's all still in the bag. Body looks pretty straight. There's the glass, got some scratches on the rear. I have to put these in some bags. Yeah. I have to leave this kit out so I can put the stuff in bags. Pacer. Styline kit. Doesn't say what Jesus. Doesn't say what scale it is on the box at all, but it's either 124th or 125th. And you can see it's good size. So looks like it's in pretty good shape. Pan was started. Chassis, I mean. Yeah, there's the glass right there in the bag. Huh. Interesting. Okay. Then we got a 68 Galaxie XL, 125th. Awesome box art. Look at that. It's sick. I love this one. Maybe I should get this one too. I can keep this one. That's awesome. Straight. Windows are in plastic. Tires are in plastic, but I don't really care for those tires. But yeah, it looks like everything's in there. The chrome. Yep. That's pretty sweet. Alright guys, then the last one. And like I was saying, I started doing auctions on Facebook because I don't like eBay anymore. So I started doing that 2015, I think it was. I'll put the first one I did auction on here. Okay, wife was calling me. 124th Renault 4CV. It's a Heller kit. This one was started and painted. Not too bad. It would probably buff out though, especially with the display polisher. Not sure. These are the interior panels. Yep, interior panels. Not sure if it's all there, but it looks like it is. There's really too much to that kit. And I got to dig for my Roadrunner Petty NASCAR. I got to dig for that. I can't find it. I know it's here somewhere. And I got tons of promos, Caprices, Impalas, bunch of other builds and stuff, kits. I got some kits listed on my Facebook page right now for sale. But that's it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll have some more vintage kits to show coming up again soon, and we'll show the promos and builds, a lot of Caprices and old Impalas and stuff, so be pretty cool. Thanks for watching. Be back again soon. See ya.